welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the FiveM error. Social Club specified account does not own a valid license. So you will actually see this error if you are trying to open GTA 5 using FiveM through enhanced version or something like that. So if you have Epic Games and you actually have GTA 5 enhanced or the original version, or you have both versions, so this can actually cause an issue. Why does that actually cause an issue? Because FiveM is actually searching for the legacy version of GTA 5, but you have the enhanced version. So what will actually happen that FiveM will actually try to open the legacy version, and now there will be a contradiction between the versions that you have. So what you need to actually do is to open the enhanced version or the legacy version that you have, fully open it using Rockstar Launcher or Epic Games RC from here. After that, it will actually update. After that happens, now you need to actually restart your PC, and then you need to open FiveM again and see if that works with you. So after you restart your PC, right here, you need to click on the start button, then the power options, then restart. Now you need to open FiveM again and see if that works with you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.